Hello friends, if your PC is running slow, then temporary files may be some of the reasons. So what are these temporary files? Temporary files are also known as temp files. They are the files that are created to hold data temporarily on your PC. These files are often created for backup purposes by various programs. Temporary files automatically accumulate on your computer system when you do your day-to-day work. The issue with these files is that they remain on your system even after you have completed your work. Over time, these files accumulate in large numbers on your system and occupy valuable disk space, affecting your PC's performance. Most of the temporary files that system uses are deleted automatically after the task is complete, but there can be some files which stay in your storage for future use. When the temporary files folder gets larger, it can slow down your PC. They can use a lot of your disk space and thus they are slowing down your PC. Hence it is necessary to delete these temporary files from your system. You can delete them manually or use some third-party software. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete the temporary files manually. Please watch it. It is quite simple. Click on Windows button. In the search bar, type Run and press Enter. Now type %temp% and click on OK. It will open a temp folder on your system that contains all temporary files and folders. You can select which file to delete or simply press Ctrl key and A key to select all files. And press Shift key and Delete key to delete all files instantly. Click Yes to confirm the action. Skip the files or folders which cannot be deleted. After this, you will see some improvement in the performance of the computer. If you find the video useful, subscribe to the channel for more videos.